again once more.
Put your hands together, come on! I need to see your hands. Yes. All right, how about this side? How about these hands? Thank you very much. Welcome, welcome to A Night in LA presents Dance Avenue. Welcome to everyone here. How about a big round of applause for each and every one? There you go. Whew. I love the outfit tonight. Everybody's wearing a white top and blue jeans. I love it. Summer na summer, di ba? Ay, hiningal ako dun sa paikot-ikot. Alright, welcome po sa inyong lahat dito po sa iVenue. And of course, welcome to our viewers over there in YouTube. They're watching us all over the world. Welcome, welcome. So welcome to another episode of fun, dancing, and friendship here at Dance Avenue. And also, we are celebrating birthdays of 5 different beautiful friends. Alright, so without further ado, let me call my co-host, the one and only Mr. Wow, Brooks Madula.
Yeah! Yes! Good evening, everyone. Welcome to A Night in LA presents Dance Avenue. Dito, todo ang saya, todo ang sayawan. Kaya, todo mo na. Yes!
Nice.
Oh.
I like the itsura mo na.
Siyempre, nasa Amerika tayo ngayon,
Oo,
Isla.
and we have a lot of friends who came, who doesn't understand Tagalog. So you have to
Oo.
speak 95% English tonight.
Akala ko magbibisaya ako. Oy, anyway at ito importanteng gabi na to.
Oo.
Dahil bukod sa may mga birthday celebrant tayo, abay nais ko pong batiin. Of course, A Night in LA, it's a 4-year anniversary.
Wow! Big round of applause for A Night in LA!
Yes! Talaga namang iba ang Roca Firm. Talaga namang.
Yes, the Roca Firm. Palakpakan natin!
Yes! Imagine, 4 years na pala.
Ang ama ng ballroom dancing.
Yes, the talent, the star
The
maker.
Star
Yes.
Maker. Yan, sa mga YouTube viewers po natin, ang The Roca Firm po has been doing ballroom dancing since the 80s.
Oh, di ba may
O,
fireworks?
fireworks yun. Since the 80s po, pero we are celebrating the 4th year anniversary of A Night in LA.
Of course. Abay, bago tayo mag-umpisa ng ating mga
Oo.
pa-surprise ngayong gabi dahil talaga namang grabe, tuwang-tuwa ko. Talaga namang super, mega, blockbuster tayo tonight. Palakpakan po nating mga sarili. Di ba? Punong-puno.
Punong-puno.
Oo. Parang pakiramdam ko, wala tayo sa Dance Avenue.
Nasaan tayo?
Nasa tayo, high school reunion.
High school reunion.
Diba? Yung ating
O kaya nasa worship night.
Oo.
Puti-puti tayo na.
Oh, bago tayo magkasayahan, abay, pasalamatan natin
Yes,
ating mga
of
food
course.
sponsors. Of course, Madam Alice versus Chan, thank you so much for the kutsinta. Yes. Oo. And of course, teka muna, yung aking kurigo na wala.
Oo.
Teka muna. And of
Siyempre.
course, yung nagdala na ating
Mga
protein
protein
bar.
bar.
Thank you so much, Miss Annette. Oo. Thank you so much.
Thank you po
Oo.
for the protein bars.
So ngayon, dahil
Uy, thank you rin The Roca Firm, syempre.
Of
yung
course,
kapagkain
our delicious
natin.
dinner.
Opo. And of course, we would like to acknowledge the presence of the District Governor, Jennifer Chua. Thank you for being here tonight.
Oh.
District 4L3, Ms. Jennifer Chua, thank you for being here tonight.
Yes, welcome, Madam.
Yes. Nandito rin syempre ang mahal na mahal natin, si Ms. Nora Joy Kinney.
Of course.
Oh, ayan siya.
Of course.
Siya, Mr. Lloyd Rain at mga elegant ladies.
Yes, talaga namang mukhang perfect attendance ang elegant ladies.
Siyempre.
At syempre, ang queen ng fashion, of course, Madam Mary Nene
Nene
Caseda
Caseda.
nandito din.
Kanina.
At At syempre yung TGIM.
TGIM. Hindi mawawala
as always.
yan.
Oo. Ito. Balita ko nakakain ka ng protein bar.
Nag-protein bar ako.
So this time,
Yes.
dahil nakakain ka ng protein bar, kailangan kitang ma-expose yung protina na
Yung protina ng katawan ko.
Abay, syempre tatawagin natin, ito yung ikang gwapong-gwapo. Talaga namang, ang daming artista nitong nahuhumaling.
Ay, oo. Back in the Philippines.
Way back 19...
Yes.
Hindi ko nasabihin yung year. Of course, tatawagin natin ating kaibigan na talaga namang kasamahan dito, of course, Mr. Jerome Espelita. Yes!
From the VIP
The
Dancer.
VIP dancer.
Sa mga kasama, mga ka-todo vida, siya ang makakasama natin ngayon na Makiki-Dance Challenge.
Oo. Ito, balita ko nakakain dito ng protein
Good
bar.
evening.
Kumusta, Mr. Jerome?
Eto, nandito yung protein. Opo. By the way, guys, everyone's welcome to get some protein bars over there on that side.
It's free, it's free.
It's free. Alam mo naman, mahilig tayo sa free.
Yes, of course.
Ayan. So, pero hindi, may challenge tayo kay Jerome.
Oo.
Kasi alam ko na yung swing dance eh.
Yes.
Well,
Oo.
alam ko na po yan.
Ito po sa ating mga nanonood dyan sa
Opo.
YouTube, sa ating Facebook. Of course, ito ngayon ay mayroon tayong dance tutorial.
Tutorial. Para
Yes.
yung mga nanonood sa atin ay makarelate at matutunan din nila yung mga sinasayaw natin dito. Okay lang po bang magpaturo?
Okay, okay.
Okay na.
Pero ito,
Oo.
abay, hindi po pwedeng hindi natin isasama. Yung ating mga birthday celebrant, of course, we would like to call
Ay, thank you po.
Miss Nelemy, ayan, Miss
Nelemy.
Luisa, Miss Feli, and of course, Miss Malu.
Yan, samahan niyo naman po kami.
And of course,
Miss Belle.
Miss Beth, of course.
Ay, tignan mo ang damit ni Tita Belle.
Yan, of
Oh.
course. Kita mo naman ang mga kasuotan, di ba?
Teka, dito lang ako sa gilid.
Oo.
At syempre, sasamahan din
Ating
po
mga
tayo.
DI, of course, Miss Dennis Lizada and Rodel Duason,
Yan.
of course.
Salamat po, salamat. At syempre sa
Francis
mga YouTube subscribers po natin, pwede nyo rin po
Penny, Rovia.
Pwede nyo
Yan.
rin po kami i-add sa Facebook. Ina-upload po ng ating
Yan.
social media master na si
Yan.
Mr. Aaron Roberts lahat ng mga photos and
Ito si Miss
videos
Feli yung sa akin.
natin.
Miss Feli.
Nurse.
Oh, di ba?
Tuturuan po tayo ni Mr. Jerome. Ihanda nyo na ang inyong mga dancing shoes.
Ayan. Palit. Ayan, yan.
Okay, guys,
Yan.
on this side. Swing. Actually, dalawa yung basic ng swing is, first, one is single steps or double step. But we'll do the single step this time. Okay? Okay, thank you. Okay, guys, start with your left, and the girls, the ladies, start with their right. And we do it by, first, just march. March, left, right. Then the basic is pull your partner towards you, on your, guys on your left and ladies on your right. Pull towards and away. Okay. Then second is transfer your partner on your right, guy's right side. Starting with your left foot, ladies, and no, ladies right foot, guys left. And one and go and back to basic, left. One more, and then transfer on the other side. There you go. The next step, we go overhead, same basic, transfer the ladies but do overhead, and one, two, back, front, pull, then overhead, one, two, and then left again. Now, put the ladies on the right side of the guys, putting your arms on the waist. Okay. Then doing the basic step around, moving around, 2, 3, and 4. Okay? Yeah. Okay? Yeah. We'll do it with the music. Thank you.
Yes! Thank you so much, Mr. Jerome Esmelita. Of course, kasama ang ating mga birthday
Birthday
girls.
celebrants. So ayan po, ang tawag dyan ay swing. Nakita nyo naman, napakadaling sayawin. Kaya sa mga nanonood sa inyo dyan, pwede nyo gayahin yan or gawin para sa mga parties nyo, sa mga debut wedding performances.
Correct. Oo, tamang-tama yan dahil magsa-summer dito sa Amerika at kung
Yes.
saan man sa lugar nyo. Abay, tamang-tama aatin kayo ng mga party, hindi kayo mababangko.
Oo.
So, ito sa ating mga audience dyan, sa ating mga nanonood palagi, abay, kailangan nyo mag-click at mag-subscribe sa YouTube channel para talagang updated kayo at matuto kayo itong sumayaw kahit mga basic steps lang.
Yes.
Diba?
Again, maraming salamat kay Mr. Jerome Espeleta from the
Yes.
VIP Dancers.
Alright, but this time, abay, kailangan natin magpakitang gilas na naman.
Ay, oo naman.
One of our birthday celebrants.
Yes.
At syempre, kasama ang gwapong-gwapo. Of course, Mr. Benny Robie and Miss Nerissa Cristobal.
One of our birthday celebrants to
Yeah.
dance Tango.
Argentine.
Tango Argentine. Kaya,
Ito.
Benny and Nerissa,
Itodo nyo na. Diba?
Walang practice yun.
O impromptu yun?
Impromptu
Oo.
yun.
Sigurado akong paborito yan ng ating kaibigan na si Miss
Kaya
Nerissa.
nga, yan. Happy birthday po, Miss Nerissa. Saka, mga friends po, you can invite all your friends and family to celebrate your birthdays here at Dance Avenue. And of course, we would like to thank Mr. DJ Roland Libogan for our music tonight and our backdrop. How about a
Yes.
round of applause?
Thank you so
beautiful.
much.
Alright, eto na, wag na natin patagalin pa. How about a big round of applause to one of our birthday